In this video, I'll show you how to add graphics and titles in Descript, a powerful and easy to use editing tool that's perfect for content creators, podcasters, and video editors. If you're new to Descript, stick around until the end because I'm going to reveal a super simple way to make your content look more professional with just a few clicks. Plus, you can start using Descript for free today by checking out the link below, where you'll get exclusive bonuses to take your editing skills to the next level. First off, Descript is not just a transcription tool, it's an all-in-one platform for video and audio editing, making it ideal for anyone who wants to add some extra flair to their content quickly. Adding graphics and titles in Descript is really straightforward, even if you've never used editing software before. Let's dive right into the basics of adding titles. To add a title in Descript, you simply need to go to the timeline of your project and click on the plus icon. From there, select Text from the options. This brings up a text box where you can type your desired title. Once you've got your text, you can adjust the font, size, color, and alignment. Descript also has a range of pre-designed title styles that you can use to save time and make your video look more polished without any design experience. Now, if you're aiming to take your video editing to the next level, Descript also makes it easy to add motion graphics. To add a graphic, click on the plus button again, but this time choose Media. Here, you can either upload your own graphics or use Descript's library of stock footage and animated graphics. Simply drag and drop your graphic onto the timeline, and you'll be able to resize it and position it wherever you want on the screen. To really make your titles and graphics stand out, you can animate them. Descript allows you to easily add transitions to your titles and graphics. Just click on the title or graphic, and in the Properties menu, you'll find options to add animations like fade-ins, slide-ins, and more. This gives your video a professional, polished look without needing any complicated software. But there's more. You can also sync your graphics and titles with the audio and video in your project. For example, if you're editing a video and you want the title to appear right when a specific line of dialogue is spoken, you can simply drag your title to the exact point on the timeline where the audio occurs. It's that simple. One of the best things about Descript is its ability to edit audio and video in sync. So when you adjust the video's timing, Descript automatically adjusts the timing of your titles and graphics as well. This saves a ton of time and effort, especially if you're working on longer projects. If you're really looking to fine-tune your project, Descript's editing tools also let you adjust the opacity of your graphics, layer them with other media, and even add effects like blurs or color filters to enhance your visuals further. This level of control is perfect for content creators who want to ensure every detail is just right. Before we wrap up, remember that Descript is free to use, and the first link below gives you access to that free trial along with exclusive bonuses. This means you can dive into these features today without any cost to you. So there you have it. Adding graphics and titles in Descript is simple, fast, and flexible. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned content creator, Descript makes it easy to elevate your content with minimal effort. Don't forget to check out the exclusive extended free trial through the link in the description and start experimenting with Descript today.